Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you different chess game. In this chess video, I am going to give you discovered attack. Okay, discovered attack in chess. I am going to give you 5 different discovered attacks chess video for every chess players. Please watch and finish this video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the first discovered attack. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is chapter 1, discovered attack. How to white won the game in this particular chess discovered attack. Okay, first move is white and how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Okay, let's go to the moves. First discovered attack. Now you can see now white to move, how to white won the game. You can see there is a queen attack this line. If he moves like this bishop to b5 and beautiful check here, then wrap the queen. This is the easy and powerful discovered attack in chess. Okay, first move is bishop go to b5 and beautiful check here. Now black has 2 options. One, he will block the check with bishop, or he need to move here or here. Okay, we will see another move of king 10, black 10. Now he push the king to e7, then beautiful move make white. White queen grab the queen, black queen. Black queen grab the white queen. Okay, this is chapter 1 chess discovered attack. We can go back now. I will teach you again the different technique. Okay, first move is bishop b5. If the black pieces, the bishop block the check, how to white won the game. Okay, we will see. Then bishop come to d7, block the check with bishop. Then bishop cross d7 and check. That's it. Now king need to cut. He cut the bishop. Why the black king? Then beautiful move make queen cross d4. That's it. Now totally white cat so many attacking moves and easily won the game white. This is chapter 1 discovered attack in chess. We can go to the chapter 2. Okay. Hello chess friends and chess lovers, this is chapter 2 discovered attack in chess. First move is white 10. How to white won the game in this particular chess game. Why the discovered attack. Okay, now we can go to the moves. First move is, I have a beautiful moves, the white moves. If white go to there and attack the rook, then this rook attack this queen. In this case, black need to move like this, then wrap the rook. That's it. We will see. I am going to show you the moves. First move is white 10. White bishop go to a6 and attack the rook. Now there is a double attack here. Only the rook attacking the queen in the same time. This bishop attacking the rook. Okay, now queen need to move. Black queen go to a2, then bishop cross c8 and wrap the rook. Totally this game, white has so many pieces. That's why in this match, white can easily win the game. Okay, that's it. We can go to the chapter 3 in discovered attack in chess. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 3 discovered attack in chess. Okay, first move is white turn. How to white won the game easily. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is I am telling you this bishop attack this pawn, cut the pawn. Then king need to cut like this. Then queen take the queen. Beautiful queen is gone. Or king need to cut a8. Then queen cross h3. That's it. We will see. First move is bishop cross a7. Now check. Now king cut. Why the bishop cut? Why the black king? Then queen take the queen. That's it. We can go to the another particular position. Now if cut by the bishop cut the pawn and check if king move like this, then wrap the queen. That's it. This is chapter 3. And this particular pattern cast, this queen attack this rook also. Okay, we will see. We can go to the chapter 4. Okay. Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is chapter 4. Discovered attack in chess. First move is white chain. In 3 moves only, white won the game. You can see how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Please watch until finish this video. Let's go to the moves. First move is you can see this knight attack the cut the knight. Then beautiful queen cut the knight. Then beautiful movement. This knight go to there and beautiful check in the same time. If he cut like this, then the bishop take the queen. Okay, you can see now the answer. First move is knight cross e5. Okay, now queen need to cut. He cut like this. Then beautiful knight go and b5 and beautiful check. In this case, black need to cut the knight. Then bishop cross e5 and wrap the queen. That's it. That's why in this match, white won the game easily. Okay. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you. We can go to the chapter 5. Okay. Chess friends and chess lovers, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In this particular pattern, discovered attack in chess, chapter 5. I am going to give you the right answer. Okay. First move is white turn. In 2 moves, white won the game. You can see how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply and smartly. Okay. Now let's go to the moves. First move is you can see now. If he push the pawn to there, the same time, this bishop attack the queen. That's why queen need to move like this. D6. So okay, then D6. Okay, we will see. Then beautiful pawn cut then bishop. Okay, we will see. I'm going to explain and analyze deeply. First move is white. White pawn go to c4. Now you can see beautiful move make this bishop attack the queen. In the same time, this pawn attack the bishop. Okay, then queen go to d6. Then c cross d5. Then c cross d5. Totally this game, white has so many pieces. That's why easily won the game. What? Okay, that's it. Today video. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you.